Bonjour, je m'appelle
Brittany.
and je m'appelle Olivia. We're going to do exciting experience. We would need cornstarch, oil, blue food coloring, a spatula, shower gel, a bowl, another tiny bowl. Do we need this?
No, we don't need that one. Okay, great. Thank
That's all.
you. So we are going to be making some putty,
So what is the thing?
and we're going to be looking at mixing equal parts corn flour, cornstarch, with equal parts shower gel. So we're going to take some of this. Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh man. Oh my goodness.
I'm telling you,
You're fine.
it's gonna be fine, Mom. It's gonna be. That's what all the cooking is.
Is that
Yes.
getting it everywhere?
Yes.
Don't mix it. We don't need to mix
I
it just
don't-
yet.
I want to mix it so bad.
I know you
Can
do. No. Just hold this. Now we have to squirt. Don't tell Dad, but we're using a lot of this shower gel.
I can tell. But he's not gonna be upset. He's gonna love it.
So this, what kind of consistency is it?
A lot of liquid.
Liquid. And then liquid, can you pour it?
No, yes.
So pour it in.
So jelly.
Mixing it.
This part.
And we're changing it.
To blue.
Well, what kind of we're changing it from
Liquid to solid.
And how are we doing that?
I don't know.
What are you doing? What do you call this thing?
Mixing.
Mixing. And what kind of, remember last week we talked about when you're pushing or doing something? Hold on. What do you remember? So this is the physical change because I'm physically mixing it. So we've changed its state by from a solid from a liquid into a solid through a physical change. And I wonder if there's a chemical change with just a tiniest bit. Because it's already pretty blue.
Can you help me? It's really hard. That's a lot.
So do you think we'd want to add more?
And this, I think more of the food coloring.
No more food coloring for right now. Just
this or that. I have no clue.
So it's kind of hard. So I have a question for you, Olivia. I have a question for you. What do you think we'd add? Would we add more powdered corn flour, cornstarch to it, or would we add more gel to it?
More gel to it.
Let's try.
No.
Sorry, Dad, for using all your shower gel.
Oh, tell that to him.
Oh God! Oh no! Oh.
Putting a little liquidy.
Let's check it out. What do we got?
Really light blue, like the color in it. Did we do it the exact same way?
Yeah, we did the same way.
I wonder why it's not bubbling.
Bubbling?
Look.
Oh, it's saying you can use it in the bath.
Well, but why is it not this kind?
So we changed it from powder shape state to this goopy.
I love it!
Yay! How's it smell?
It smells like Daddy's hair show. I'm turning a little greeny.
And this is a great experiment to do because it's all safe materials, unlike borax or other products. These are all safe for kids to play with. So shaving cream, corn flour, a bit of food coloring.
So that one's not really good.
Okay, well, show your hands because maybe food coloring, if you get like maybe blue gel, you might not even need food coloring because then you don't have to worry about your hands turning this color. But other than that, yeah, lots of fun, hey?
Yeah, I'm going to show this.
Can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Bye.